Alright, what's good? We in a 335 right now. And as y'all see, I got this beautiful lady right here. That's mi madre. So
Miss Prestige in the house.
yes, Miss Crystal Prestige. She came in town from Vegas to Atlanta for the weekend, so she has not yet got to like experience a car like this. And then my car not really fast. But listen, let me speak.
Okay.
I think she's part of, well, she is part of the reason why I love speed and everything like that, because she rode bikes. She had a Honda, a 06 Honda 954 CBR.
What was the 07? 954 Honda.
Yeah, so we about to just get like a little reaction.
And your car wasn't doing it like my bike.
Oh, it is doing it like it now.
It is?
It'll probably.
I ain't got the motorcycle to see. Is we still?
Yeah, it's still recording.
No, let me make sure not mine. Okay, baby. I know, Mom. I know, baby. I know you ain't seen your mama. Yeah, I know, baby. Okay. Now.
You hear it?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Listen to the downshift. You got anti-lag too. It's loud because it's single turbo. When you throw this on these cars, that makes them. I'm just trying to get some heat through the motor.
Absolutely.
Make them louder and make them have a deep tone.
Okay.
And
well, shit, it already sound like a damn Jurassic Park lying in the back. To hell. I'm glad my wig gonna take a shit.
We're gonna go down here and make a U-turn.
Oh my lord. Okay.
So this is anti-lag. I'm not gonna do it, but I'm gonna just start. I ain't even go.
I know, but my tears don't wait now. Shit.
Yeah.
I mean, excuse me, fans on the thing. See, this be that bullshit. See what you just did?
Mom,
don't do that again.
I already know how to do
like that. Like that.
All right, I'm gonna just.
Okay.
I'm gonna just go. You ready?
Yeah. Okay.
So you gonna hear something crazy?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Oh, no shit! Stop! No! Take me back. Don't do that shit again. Take it back. And go slow, Montez.
Alright, maybe that was a little bit too much.
Yeah, that was.
It just
don't do
spun,
that.
but I got control of the car.
Okay, no, but no. Don't do that. I don't like that. That scared me. See, y'all, this what not to do. Montez, seriously, don't.
I'm gonna ease into it for a second. You gotta let me anti-lag.
I know, but why you can't? We can't be in 3-4 lanes. That'd be one thing. We on the highway. You got one lane and the other. That's not. Okay, stop. No, stop. No. Hell no. That get me off. Turn in here. Drop me off. What they say on the show, turn this shit off. I'm done. What they do on cops? What they be doing on cops? Turn this shit off. I'm done. Nope.
Oh, you gotta let me anti-lag.
What the hell is that?
That first thing when they went like.
Park this shit. Give me a part of this car.
You look like you've been on a roller coaster ride.
Babe, you got me all out here real bold.
We gonna do an anti-lag before you go.
No, Diddy, I don't.
Mom, I'm gonna just do it. Get on it for a little bit.
No, we gotta go. Anyway, park. Y'all, I'm leaving. Nope. Back it up. Back it up. No, Diddy, I don't want to go. Nope. How you stop this recording? Get me out of here.